G'day there, it's Max here from Diggerman again. So today it's 1.5. We're going to be operating and loading material into the truck, and that's 1.5 on our 5-star excavator operated level. So when we're loading material into a truck, we're just got to make sure that the truck and the machine positioning is exactly where you want it. So quite often out on site, I'll hold my bucket where I want that truck to reverse up to. And while that truck's reversing up towards my bucket, I'm able to slow away from it, and I can lift up my radio and let the truckie to know to pull up there. Once we're in position and everyone's on the okay that we're going to start loading, we can start grabbing these full buckets. Reaching out in front of yourself and then holding that down. Now remember, we don't need to be dropping any material from a great height. Bring that bucket down so it's not falling into the back of the truck, creating another hazard out on site, and it's no good for the truck in itself. Reaching out in center, dropping that bucket in. Remember, when you're loading up a machine, all of that dirt's always going to come in closer towards yourself, so we can push that material away from ourselves and go in for another bucket. That way you're not going to end up with a big pile of dirt all over your tracks and your blade. So I'm pulling that bucket back in towards myself, bringing it to the ground and pushing that material back further away, ready to be picked up again. Loading up the truck, giving it a bit of a pat down, then we can pick up our radio and let the driver ease right to roll on out. Righto Jimmy, you're sweet.